Hi everyone, my name is Inanula and I share years of personal experience in the fashion industry, giving you key insights into buying and merchandising skills. My channel, Access to Fashion, has always been about real life experience from real professionals within the industry. Access to Fashion provides industry standard, in-depth insights on retail skills, growing a network of experts working towards solutions on industry challenges. So, if you would like to tap into a community of well-versed knowledge, I've created a members newsletter. Every edition of the Access to Fashion member newsletter is packed with real-life material that you won't find anywhere else, as well as regular, fresh perspectives on future insights to help you stay ahead of the curve. The Access to Fashion member newsletter gives you direct access to practical resources, buying and merchandising templates, and industry standard tools that are expert approved. As a subscriber, you'll receive step-by-step breakdowns of key buying and merchandising processes, downloadable tools like range plans, category plans, and margin calculators, real-life case studies from real retailers, brands, and professionals, futures insights and solutions from an industry perspective, plus challenges to put your learnings to practice, along with prize giveaways as a bonus. Subscribe now and get immediate access to exclusive downloads and practical tools that will give you a real edge and keep you ahead of the curve. Visit the link below to join now.